Hello, and welcome to the Commissioner's Corner. I'm Fort Bend County Commissioner Grady Prestidge. Fort Bend County Commissioner's Court just went through a very involved, emotional, and spirited redistricting process. Redistricting happens every 10 years after the results of the census are delivered, whereby political subdivisions, cities, counties, sometimes school districts, the legislatures of every state has to balance off state representative, state senator, and congressional lines so that they are roughly equal in population. In Fort Bend County, our population grew 41% over the 10-year period. And as a result of that, the growth wasn't equally distributed all over the 4 commissioners' precincts. My precinct, Precinct 2, was considerably low, and Precinct 3 was considerably high. The goal of the redistricting process was to take the 822,000 plus people in Fort Bend County, divide that number by 4, and try to equally balance the districts. You can't get it exactly equal, and so you have a plus or minus 5% that you can vary in that process. So we went through a long process that had citizens' involvement. Each member commissioner's court produced a map. There were some 20-something maps that were put together that we had to consider, and it was a tough process. We finally came to a conclusion and voted on a map that kind of radically changed a lot of our precincts. Precinct 2, for instance, which is low in population, picked up a lot of new areas and a lot of new people. So I'll be reaching out to my new constituents and inviting them into the Precinct 2 family, find a way to say goodbye to some of the areas we had to lose to make sure that we balance everything off. So it's going to be a very involved process of trying to learn some of the new areas. You know, some of the projects that we were working on, we have to give up, and I'll be assuming some of the projects that the other commissioners were working on as we take in those new areas. So be patient with us. Try to get to know your new commissioner. It's going to work out pretty good. I mean, the ultimate goal for the Commissioner's Court as a whole is to properly serve the citizens of Fort Bend County. You develop special relationships with your commissioner. I know and understand that. But at the end of the day, it's the Commissioner's Court that takes your tax money and puts it to use to make sure your quality of life is a good quality of life. That's it for this edition of the Commissioner's Corner. We'll see you next time.